welcome to another episode of Under the Hood, and today I'm going to introduce you to a new member of the MegaGo family. It's the MegaGo Flood. Okay, so this is the new MegaGo Flood. Just like the other MegaGo series, it has a lithium-ion battery with a life of around 4.5 hours. But what makes this fixture great is it has 27 SMD diodes. Each diode is a tricolor diode, and it takes about 4.5 watts at maximum power. But what you get with the SMD, again, surface mount diode, is real even field of color. There's not a bunch of hot spots. You don't have, you know, a big spot of red fading into orange into pink or whatever. It's all going to be one real even field of solid color. And another great thing about it is this is a 120-degree beam angle, so at a short distance you're going to be able to light up a pretty good sized wall. And I'm going to take you in the other room and show you here in a minute exactly how great a wash this is. Okay, so before we go in the other room, I'm just going to go over the features with you, and it's real similar to a lot of the Mega series. And if you already have a MegaGo Par or Bar, you're going to know how to use this thing no problem. Okay, so on the back here, we've got our 4-character LED display, and we have the 4 buttons to navigate through the menu. Of course, it has DMX, Sound Active, color macros, color mixing, everything you have in all the Mega series. Okay, so like the rest of the Mega series, it has IEC in and out, and these are really handy if you want to link the power together or if you want to link them together for charging. And of course, it has your DMX in and out as well. Just like the rest of the MegaGo series, here are the 2 switches. You got your load switch and your battery switch. So in order to charge it, you're going to plug in your IEC power cable, and you are going to turn the load switch off and the battery switch on, and it's charging. So like a lot of our LED pars, this also has a scissor yoke, which is really good for setting it on the floor if you want to aim up at a wall. I probably wouldn't use this light to do uplighting, as it has that really wide beam angle and then you lose your vertical coverage. So something like a MegaGo Par, probably going to be better if you want a tall beam of light. But if you do need to set this on the floor for some reason, you can just go ahead and loosen the yoke up and it'll sit flat. Now, when I'm doing any kind of lighting that needs to be on the floor, if I have a scissor yoke like this, I like to go ahead and straighten the yoke out this way so you have a little bit of protection in case, you know, somebody kicks it when it's on the floor. Now, before I go ahead and void the warranty on this one, I'm going to take it in the other room and show you how it works on a couple of set pieces we have set up in there. Where the MegaGo Flood really shines is in its evenness of field provided by those 27 SMD RGB diodes. It's great for, you know, lighting an ornate vase like I've got here, or say your Scrim, your DJ facade, or if you just have a really wide wall that you just want to light wash on, this fixture is perfect for that. And again, it's got a battery in it, so you don't have to run any cables to it. You see something you want lit up, you're going to get a real even field. This is the perfect fixture for you. So to give you guys a better idea of how wide the beam angle is, again, it's 120 degrees. I've set it face down on the floor, and I'll pull it up here. And you can see I get about to knee height, about 8 to 10 foot diameter spot. Then if I pull it up right about towards my head, well, the whole room's lit up already. So this light has got a really, really wide beam angle. And again, look how even the color is, not a single hot spot. All right, now let's pull this thing apart. Okay, so I've got the board out that has the 27 SMDs. On the back here, you'll see this little curly Q pigtail thing. That's the RF remote receiver for the ADJ RFC wireless remote. After you pull the LED board out, there's 4 screws, and you're going to take this metal piece off. And there you have the lithium-ion battery. Little connector down here. Pull it out. So just so you can see, here's where the battery connects. Now it's real important that I mention don't replace your battery if the light is plugged into the wall. Make sure your power cord is disconnected. So just reach down here, pull it out. Now it just plugs right back in. Again, make sure you are not plugged into the wall. Now when I want to put it back together, I just put this plate right there. Battery rests on top of that. Then this plate on top of that. And I take my screws and put this thing back together. All right, so that's the Mega Go Flood. Again, if you need something that's gonna give you a huge 120-degree beam angle with a super even field of light, whether you're lighting set pieces, tables, whatever, this is a great fixture for you. So we're gonna try something new. Check us out on Facebook right here for some new contests. You know, who knows, you may even win one of these. So anyhow, thanks for watching. I'm Chuck Green. We'll see you next time.